Have you ever wondered who thought of the microwave oven or the touchscreen? Today on CurioQuest, we dive into these everyday objects not just to understand how they work, but to discover the minds behind them and the challenges they overcame. Let's explore the incredible stories of the inventors who changed our lives. Our journey begins in the kitchen with the microwave oven, a device that's become a staple in homes worldwide. Invented by Percy Spencer, an engineer who stumbled upon the idea while testing radar equipment during World War II, this appliance revolutionized cooking. But did you know it was discovered by accident? Percy noticed a chocolate bar melting in his pocket near radar equipment, leading to the insight that microwaves could cook food. Next, we touch on a technology that transformed how we interact with our devices, touchscreens. Developed first in the 1960s, these screens changed our digital experiences forever. This innovation was pioneered by Dr. G. Samuel Hurst, who invented the first resistive touchscreen. Originally designed to speed up data entry, this technology now underpins the modern touch interface found in billions of devices. Can you imagine navigating your daily tasks without touch technology? Every swipe, tap, and pinch was once just an idea in a visionary inventor's mind. As you use these technologies every day, think about the incredible stories of the inventors behind them. Their journeys remind us that curiosity, perseverance, and the courage to experiment can indeed change the world. How will you let your curiosity lead you? Thank you for joining today's exploration on CurioQuest. If you're inspired by these stories, give us a like, leave your thoughts in the comments, and share this video with friends. Remember, every object has a story, and every story can inspire you to make your own mark. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to not miss our next adventure into the marvels of innovation and the spirit of discovery.